Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 amazing tools to remove logos from any image for free. And the best part? No blurring involved. Yes, it's totally possible to remove logos cleanly. First, head over to watermarkremover.io. Once you're there, upload the image from which you want to remove the logo. In just a few seconds, the tool will automatically remove the logo for you. After it's done, simply download the image, logo-free and ready to use. The second tool is dewatermark.ai. Open the website and upload your photo. It will quickly remove the logo, and once it's done, you can download the image in either HD or normal quality, whichever suits your needs. The third tool is aiease.ai. Upload your photo and you'll see options for auto or manual removal. Select auto and click the remove button. In just a few seconds, the logo will be removed and you can download the image right away. The final tool is photore.com. Head over to the website and upload your photo. After uploading, click the Apply button and wait a few seconds for the logo to be removed. However, there's a small catch. Photore will remove the logo but place their own watermark in its place. If you're okay with that, you can use it. But if you prefer a clean image, you can remove Photore's watermark using any of the previous tools I mentioned. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tools helpful for removing logos without blurring. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.